descriptions. Another interview question. You are working for a multi-brand company. They want to give customer preferences to opt in and opt on from their favorite brands. You have to develop a mechanism to store their preferences. A customer might like this communications, might not like that communications. A very simplistic example: whenever you download any news application, for example Times of India, Hindustan Times, and you go and sign up, what they ask, what are your interests, choose any 3 5. You are liking women magazines, you are liking political current affairs, you are liking technology. In technology also they have some subcategories: AI, blockchain, cloud computing. You are liking healthcare, you are liking, general science, you are liking space. They try to take some of your preferences so that they start promoting articles based on your preferences. If I am a man, I would select my own preferences. I like, sports. I like cricket. In sports, also thousands of sports are there, but I don't see those sports. I am only fond of cricket and football. So whenever a famous match happens worldwide of cricket or football, I should be notified. If it is another match like tennis, hockey, I am not concerned about them because I don't keep track of those matches. I should not be notified. So this is an example of customer preference center. In this customer preference, customer has an option to opt into whatever communications they want to opt in, and opt out from whatever communications they want to opt out, giving liberty to customers to stay connected with their favorite communications and disregard non-favorite communications. For that, we have a concept of publication list. Publication lists would help you manage opt-outs. Publication lists control which email your subscribers receive. Publication lists allow subscribers to control what type of communications they receive, such as opting out of future sends from a particular list. If no publication list is selected, all subscriber list is a default place to get somebody unsubscribed. So now let's take the same example. What we have to do is we have to go to subscribers drop down and go to publication lists. Once we select publication lists, let's have suppose two different publications. New batch publication 1. We can make it as Tanishq. Okay. Click public and click on save. And we can create another publication list. New batch publication 2. Let's it give a name as motors. Click it public and save. Now what has happened? We have created two different publication lists, and we will give options to subscribers to choose which publications they want to. So what we did was, guys, we clicked on send option. Once we clicked on send option, we selected our send classification. We clicked on next option. We selected the data extension. We dragged and dropped that data extension here, and we saw this publication list option. By default, all subscriber is selected as default publication list. But if you feel that this is a Tanishq emailer, If you feel that this is a Tanishq emailer, then you have to select a particular publication list dedicated for Tanishq. Uncheck this deduplicate subscribers checkbox. Next, click on this and click on send option. So now what happens? Earlier 7 records were sent email, but now 6 records will be part of email because one we have already unsubscribed initially. One we have already unsubscribed initially. So you see that 6 people were sent emails. Six people got emails. And now the moment these 6 people got emails, they are also added to the same publication list. They are also added to the same publication list. Like they are added to all subscribers list. But now we don't want to take unsubscriptions from all subscribers. Rather, we have to take unsubscriptions from publication list. We see that all these 6 people are also part of publication list. One person was not part of email because we got him global unsubscribed from all subscribers earlier. So left are 6. We don't want to lose them permanently, so we used a publication list. Now suppose I received an email. Suppose I got this email. This is the email where the customer name is Naga. And Naga unsubscribes. So what will happen? Naga will be unsubscribed from that particular publication list. Naga will not be unsubscribed from all subscribers. Naga will not be unsubscribed from all subscribers. So if I copy this Naga's email address and if I go to all subscribers and if I search Naga subscription status, so Naga subscriber key is still green. That means it is still active. So Naga was not unsubscribed from this all subscribers, though he unsubscribed. Naga would be unsubscribed from.
Yes.
So what I was telling is, whenever you unsubscribe using a publication list, the all subscriber key would still be active. But if we go and look the publication list, that record is unsubscribed from that particular publication list. That record is unsubscribed from that particular publication list. So next time whenever you go and send email, and select the same publication list, if the customer has opted out from that particular publication list, he will not receive. If a customer has opted out from that particular publication list, he will not receive. For example, if I drag and drop, select the publication list, so now 7 people are there. One was unsubscribed from all subscribers and one is unsubscribed from this publication list. So there should be 5 email sends. But if you select a different publication list where that person is not present as unsubscribed, he will still receive the email, provided he should be active in all subscribers. So let's validate the job ID. Another job ID is created. This is scheduled. Let's wait. So you see that 5 people received email because one person was unsubscribed globally and one subscribed got unsubscribed from this publication list. But the person who is unsubscribed from this particular publication list is still active globally. So if you want to send him a communication which is not Tanishq, suppose we want to send promote Tata Motors to him. Suppose we want to promote Tata Motors to him. We want to promote Tata Motors to him. Then he should receive the email. So let's check job ID. It is scheduled with 0 send. Let's wait for a minute. So see that 6 people are sent. So if you go and analyze, this subscriber key was unsubscribed from Tanishq. So when we used Tanishq publication list, whatever publications this subscriber has opted out, they blocked him from email send. But this subscriber is also a part of Tata Motors publication, but he was subscribed there, or first time system created him as a subscriber. First time system created him as a subscriber and he is active, and this subscriber is still active in all subscribers. So this is how we use publication lists. Now suppose if a customer has to see what all publications your company has, a customer has to see what all publications your company has, then you have to provide a subscription center URL. Along with this email, what you have to provide a subscription center URL. A subscription center URL can be inserted from the code snippet where we have subscription center. Okay, we have unsubscribe, update profile, we have subscription center, we have physical mailing address. So now suppose we go and preview this email. Suppose a customer received an email, though he was a part of Tata Tanishq communication, but he also wants to see what all other subscriptions your company has. Then he can click on manage subscription. It will not work like this. Let me send another email. It will not work in test sends. Let me select a transactional communication now and show you.
काय टाकलं तिथं बघ.
New batch transactional, we'll click on next option. We select the data extension. We will drag and drop. We'll select Tanishq here. Uncheck this checkbox, click next, next, click on send option. So guys, you see that whenever we selected a email send and we have defined subscription center, customer will get another link from where he can manage his subscription. But before that, one thing you have to note, whenever I switched to transactional communication, all 7 people were sent email. One was unsubscribed from Tanishq publication, one was unsubscribed from all subscribers. Only for commercial emails we discussed yesterday while we were studying CAN-SPAM law, opt-outs are honored. Opt-outs means unsubscription status. If you send a transactional communication, opt-outs won't be honored. That means regardless of unsubscription status, transactional communications are sent. So that does not mean that you have unsubscribed to Amazon's email communications for further promoting products and services. Tomorrow you go and purchase a product from Amazon, you won't receive invoice. You will receive invoice. So another interview question, a customer unsubscribed from Marketing Cloud and still he is complaining he is receiving email. How you will troubleshoot? We will straight away go and check if the email was unsubscribed to a publication list and whether we selected that publication list or not. If he is active in all subscribers but unsubscribed in publication list and next send we do not select the publication list, he will still receive the email. Or we are using a transactional send classification. Two reasons. Customers are complaining that though they have unsubscribed, we are still receiving emails. These are the possible reasons that wrong publication is selected where he is still unsubscribed, or the send classifications is transactional. Now once we receive email or once customer receives email, he will get manage subscription option in the footer. So whatever lists or publication lists you have made public, we have made public to publication lists. Those will be available in subscription center. So a customer can go and opt in or opt out. So this customer was part of Tanishq, but suppose he also wants to be a part of another list or he wants to unsubscribe from another list. Suppose this customer is just received Tata Motors as well. We saw as an example. He don't want to receive Tata Motors also. So he will click on subscription center, select that Tata Motors list. Customer can see what all lists he is subscribed to. He can uncheck here and click on update option. So now if you go and select Tata Motors, publication list, you will see that that subscriber is unsubscribed. You will see that that subscriber is unsubscribed. It will take some time for this to reflect, but soon you will see that the subscriber is also unsubscribed from Tata Motors. But sorry, Neha. Sorry, Neha was not part of that. Let's see Pranjali's option. I'll go to manage subscription of Pranjali. Neha was not part of Tata Motors because she was initially unsubscribed. So Neha is subscribed to, sorry, Pranjali subscribed to both Tanishq and Motors. But Pranjali wants to unsubscribe from Motors. She can go and click on update option. So now she is unsubscribed from Motors. So her subscriber key is unsubscribed from Motors. So with the subscription center form, which you can find here, if you go to subscribers drop down, here is preference management. Inside preference management, you have profile center. You can click on preview. Here is subscription center. What all lists or data, whatever lists or publication lists you have made public while creating them, those are available inside the subscription centers. So majorly lists we will use for subscription or managing subscriptions, and we will use data extensions for containing subscribers and subscriber behaviors. Today we had a lot of informative information. Around 5-6 interview questions can come straight away. Wherever you are working, if you learn all these questions, you will have 40 to 50% hike in your salary. You can go to best product based companies using this platform, because every platform is using, and this is the favorite platform for every company. So keep writing all those interview questions in the copy